Verio is committed to providing cutting-edge web hosting services to customers with low to moderate budgets. The company offers advanced web hosting solutions while maintaining a fair share of options for people unfamiliar with web hosting and web development in general. This is evident in the number of extraneous services that company offers, such as a built-in drag-and-drop website creation tool, content management systems, e-commerce platforms, search engine optimization, etc. By offering such a diverse number of services in one place, Verio aims to provide newcomers with a full-featured hosting solution that includes everything a new web enterprise might need. The company offers only simple shared hosting services. There are no more advanced hosting options such as dedicated servers or VPS hosting. This is not an excellent choice to begin with. Even if you target customers from the lower and middle budget range, it is always advisable to offer at least one level of additional services for customers who can afford it. It may be interested in upgraded services without necessarily changing hosting. Unfortunately, this is not the case here. Verio offers two tiers of shared hosting services. The basic plan costs $10.99 a month for an annual fee and $9.99 a month for a 24-month price. You get access to unlimited storage space and scalable transferred bandwidth for your money. You'll also get a maximum of one domain and support for one MySQL database. Unlike other hosting providers, Verio differentiates its shared hosting plans not through hosting resources, but by limiting access to its extraneous options, such as website creation tools. The basic plan includes the basic version of the Weebly Website Builder tool and supports up to 6 website creators, 1 email account, and does not support e-commerce features. This is where the advanced plan comes in. Priced at $19.99 per month for an annual fee and $18.99 per month for 24 months in advance, it comes with the same level of hosting services, but gets a free domain name for 1 year, unlimited domains, and support for up to 50 MySQL databases. The entry-level version of the Shop Site Shopping Cart add-on, which supports no more than 15 products, the premium Weebly Website Builder tool with unlimited pages to build websites, unlimited email accounts, and comes with other e-commerce tools such as OS Commerce, Shopping Cart, Agora Cart, Shopping Cart, and PayPal Shopping Cart integration. The advanced and basic versions of the standard hosting plans comes with shared SSL for some semblance of security. From the outset, we can say unequivocally that one price makes Verio shared hosting uncompetitive. At their prices, you can get a broader range of services from competing hosting providers. Even then, the costs are not even calculated on a truly monthly basis, but are discounts when you buy a year or more in advance. The situation worsens the company's resorts to the dreaded unlimited tag for actual hosting resources. If you don't already know, unlimited doesn't mean unlimited when it comes to the web hosting domain. It means that when you cross a certain threshold of usage, the quality and speed of service are so severely limited that it becomes almost unusable. Verio is undoubtedly not the only company using this misleading terminology. Virtually every hosting service provider uses the term, especially in the budget sector. Nevertheless, the insidious use of the word is a jab, especially in this case, when the actual hosting services are so undervalued. Oddly enough, the company also lists an additional plan on its website called Windows Hosting, almost identical to the shared hosting plans in every respect. The only notable difference is that the hosting plan runs on a Windows Server operating system. If you have any special hosting needs that require IIS, ASP.NET, or other Microsoft proprietary tools, this plan may be good for you. However, this specialization makes absolutely no sense to us at the lowest end of the spectrum. Even the pricing is identical to a basic shared hosting plan. Verio doesn't list any dedicated WordPress hosting plan on its website. However, it does mention that each shared hosting plans support WordPress. Customer service can be contacted by phone, email, or instant message at any time of the day. Customer service is relatively well organized, with no significant complaints or problems noted. Collected tickets are resolved with decent responsiveness, which is all that can be expected at this point.